Assalamu alaikum, I'm just a fans. Today, me and Harun will be discussing about what we should do in Eid to make to earn more rewards.
Bhajan, Bakra is coming. Can you tell me some tips?
Yes, Harun. The number one tip that everyone should do is that we shouldn't do any neki in which we can harm others. For example, if you're praying namaz, you shouldn't pray in the middle of a path, because otherwise people will just wait for you and wait for you for a long time till you finish your namaz so that they can cross their path.
Oh, can you tell me like some more tips?
And during Bakra Eid, this is the biggest problem, because people just dump blood and unwanted body parts of the animals they just sacrifice for Allah onto the roads, which makes the roads very very dirty, and it pollutes the area.
Oh, okay, interesting.
People also buy animals that they cannot handle. For example, people buy big cows, and then we hear news of the cows just running away and hurting people. So we should avoid animals that we cannot handle.
Okay.
And another problem that we have seen is that people just tie their animals onto roads or in the middle of the main path. So this creates a lot of ruckus, and it blocks the path. So we should buy animals that we can keep in our homes or in a place that we have rented. For example, people open up tents in empty plots to keep their animals, which is a very good thing. Or people can do collective sacrifices, where many people get together and earn a plot, and then they sacrifice their animals there.
Oh.
The same thing goes with fasting. For example, if you're fasting, then you shouldn't you shouldn't
Hurt people, right?
yes, you shouldn't hurt other people if you are in roza, knowing that they cannot hurt you, or if they do, they will get guna. So you shouldn't do nekis in such a way that it harms other people. I'm not saying that you shouldn't do nekis. You should do nekis, but not in the way that it hurts other people or it causes loss. So this is the lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed. Jazakallah khair.